Okay, 2006 Jeep Commander, and I just took the front end off. I should put the bottom part back on. I should have taken this before, but I have the other side off. You can see what the deal is. I had a hard time getting the fascia off. And what it is that there is actually, down here, there are 3 tabs that from the inside, you look under the flap and you can pinch them and push them out so that this will come back off. Looks like I got to tuck that in better right there. I didn't do that, but anyway, so this is what the other side looks like. Okay, and these are just the things that come right out of the body, but these are what the 3 tabs look like right here. And you can pinch these together like this, not this way, but this way, and they just pop into these holes right here, here, and down here. And so this is going to go back together. I'm going to re-plastic rivet it. This is what you have to get under. This is the flap. You have to kind of come underneath here and look up into here in order to pinch them together. Okay. Otherwise, just getting this off, it's basically 1, 2, 3, 4. Just pull the inside out, and then it'll pop out maybe, oh, I don't know, ½ an inch. And then you can just pull these off, and then there's just 2 bolts underneath, up there and there. And they're easy to find. You'll see them immediately. So anyway, I had to do that in order to replace this light because it has a bolt underneath here, a screw I guess I should say underneath there, one coming out the other way and then one on top. But in order to get to that, you have to take this off. That's just ridiculous. So I hope that helps. Sorry I didn't take pictures beforehand when I had it apart, but it was just frustrating, and I just wanted to get to it and get it done. And then I thought, oh, what the heck, I should have done it. Okay, this fascia is really simple. This is just the grill for right here. And what it is that at the bottom of this, on the inside, it goes into, there's little hooks. There are little hooks that kind of come in. So they go in, I think, right, well, somewhere right here. Just, it basically hooks in. Let's see this. There we go. There we go. So this, and this are just going to go down into these holes, but they kind of hook in there, and that's what holds it. It's the very top that you put in that's going to keep them from sliding around. There we go. So that's basically it. Now this is what these look like, and this is the same thing as what I showed you on the inside. These are how it works. They just pop down in there, and then you push this down, and that spreads the bottom part so that it can't come back up. So it's really simple. So it's like this. They just pop down like that, and when you push, it spreads them out. Now they're not going to come back up. So you put a screwdriver under here and kind of bring it up on both sides, and then just pop these out. It's the same concept as what I showed you on the inside.